It is springtime 2023. We're all busting out of the house in new duds. How am I doing?
I think we could do better. You got the green going, which is a great color this year, but I feel like we can spice things up a little bit.
All right, I commend myself to your capable hands.
Okay, let's go do an outfit change.
Audrey, what do we think?
I love it. We're seeing a lot of colorful suiting this spring. We got some florals. I love it. What do you think?
I feel great in it, I gotta tell you.
So now that I'm ready, it's time to get you on trend with fashion stylist Audrey Lopez. Starting with
We're seeing a lot of denim on denim this spring. And denim...
The Canadian tuxedo's back!
Exactly.
Yes!
And denim never really goes out of style, right?
Okay.
We just see different iterations of it. So here we're pairing denim on denim, but we're breaking it up with a little bit of color, some metallic accessories, silver jewelry is back. And also with the pant legs, we're seeing a wider pant leg. So we're not really doing the skinny jean anymore.
Thank goodness!
I know.
Why did it take so long?
up your look by pairing denim with moto-inspired pieces.
We saw this in the 90s with Harley Davidson, Pamela Anderson type things. So the leather jacket is back. Pull it out of your closets.
Next up, sheer clothing.
Okay, Audrey, we have two very distinct looks here.
Yes.
What ties this all together?
So the overarching theme here is sheer clothing. Here we have more of like a chiffon, a little bit more elevated and sweet. And over here we have, it's a little bit more Western with like the crochet and lace, a little bit grungier.
Move over, Coastal Grandma, because Coastal Cowgirl is here to stay.
We moved west this summer to kind of that California girl meets the Arizona Western girl. So we're seeing metallics, cowboy boots. Think she's going to like Coachella.
And lastly, we're heading back in time with 90s minimalism.
The minimalism trend is slowly coming back, so we're seeing these 90s silhouettes from a vest, even suiting here, and into these like sweater button-ups.
And step aside, micro mini bags. Oversized bags are in.
Now you can put everything in this, and this is a great office look.
Okay, you know what I love about it? It looks like it's functional. You could actually do something with it.
And it's not just about the ladies.
With menswear too, we're seeing not just your basic button-up, so we're seeing a lot of texture with the knits or embroidery. So men are having a little bit more fun with fashion now.
What makes this all 2023?
We have texture, we have metallics, lots of prints, and even monochromatic outfits from the neutrals to the denim.
And you know what I love? It all seems comfortable, mix and match, fun.
We're trending this year in fashion.